Is loud as shit.
What?
It's loud as shit with these tires.
Those knobbies?
It's like, whoa!
Woohoo!
I got y'all beat out.
Going too fast. Oh shit! Holy shit!
Holy shit!
Holy shit! You go, Mark.
No way, man.
I'll go.
I'm not here.
Yeah, that's probably a bad idea.
Dude, that's a bad idea.
Let's see it, Trevor. You're on video. Oh shit, that guy's gonna be pissed. That guy's not gonna be happy.
Coming out here, it's super. That's more fun.
Trevor! Oh shit! Look at Mark up there! What? I don't know if I can make it. Dude, Jesus Christ. Oh. I need to give her a break after all that. And the best part is every one of these power guys is watching us.
And they're having the time of their life.
Damn, this thing is dirty.
Yeah.
Well, that was a good test for her, though. Look at those brake calipers. Oh. My chain's gonna need some grease after this. Okay, bro. Hey, Bryce. Dude, you're never gonna make it. This is good footage, man.
No way.
Those are freaking radials, dude.
No way in hell.
The thing's two-wheel drive, man. There's no way it's making it out of here. Dude, if he makes it up here in two-wheel drive, I will shit a brick.
I will shit my pants, man. He ain't going nowhere.
Dude, it's gonna take every guy standing out here to get that truck up that hill. Don't stand behind that tire.
It gets steeper. And there's a bump up there.
If he can get to that gravel up there, he might make it. Hilarious. Dude. Dude, you're crazy. You got a big ass rock under you. There you go. Hey, you're good. You got it?
Yeah, I think so.
Here, wait up, wait up, wait up. 1, 2, 3. Bryce! Help me! Wonder what that burning smell is.
I got it too. It's just shit.
Yeah. Yeah, it was so slippery I couldn't push myself back up. I was about to fall over, yeah. Let's see. I'm excited. I hope something terrible happens.
Oh man, if that thing yanks the front of the Frontier off, that'd be YouTube gold.
Man, that Chevy didn't stand a chance, man.
Not even close. What they gonna do, pull him out next?
They're gonna have to.
He can't get out.
No way. I don't think any of these trucks can get out of here. Look at the water squirting out of the front of his tires.
Yeah. This is just cool footage.
It really is cool footage. I'm not really sure, no.
You don't? Okay,
No.
that's why I thought I'd show you. That's what unlocks the... So when you have it hooked, you reach up and grab this and go, and it unlocks that.
Really?
Yeah. And when it's real tight, watch. Tighten yours up. Okay, right. Okay, so look, now you got that, see?
Oh,
You
you're,
didn't think you knew.
wow.
And then you can just unlatch it.
That's awesome.
Normally you're sitting there trying to get with your
Fiddle with
fingers.
it, yeah.
You grab that and it just loosens up.
That's awesome. Here we go. Round 2.
You know what the red thing on your helmet?
That-
He's getting it this time. Before he was kind of taking it easy, but now he's like...
This truck's like 4 times heavier.
Yeah, but it's also a 4x4.
That's an iron cross bumper. That's nice.
Very.
Yeah, too bad it doesn't do shit for you when you're stuck in the mud. You tried, buddy. You tried your hardest. It was a good effort. With your freaking $2,000 front bumper and your $1,500 rear bumper.
I know, man, and it wouldn't go up that hill.
Not even a chance.
That dude in the GMC is pissed. Should have bought a Ford.
Those things driving right out.
In reverse.
Good footage.
That is good footage.
No, this is Georgia Power.
Yep.
They-
Should have
Hey,
bought a
Pops.
Ford.
Nice.
Hey, Pops. You know what I was saying earlier about how Georgia Power knows their shit?
Look at this. This guy's not even spinning. These guys have lockers. Absolutely.
Yeah.
They have to. No doubt about it.
See, you see him.
That's the difference right there, Bryster.
See the lock?
Okay, round 3, dude. Can you do it?
See that? Drove right out of there.
Dude,
Yeah,
that's,
Georgia Power knows what they're doing.
Dude, that is such great.
that's
You
insane,
should
dude.
send this to Ford, dude. Cut it up and show the Chevy just cooked and hooked, and then show all 3 Fords just back right out of there.
You're right, dude.
And we could probably get money out of them. Look at that. All 3 of them. Right out of
Just
there.
backed right out.
Not a problem, dude.
That's awesome.
You guys want to go check out the creek? See if it's gone down?
Yet?
I bet you it has.
Let's go try it.
I'm game.
Damn it, I should not have come up here. I was like, I should not have got up here.
Sorry.
Oh, it's cool.
Let's go help him.
The old DR650 is stuck again. Go, 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 go. Here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, shit. Oh, woo-hoo-hoo! Oh shit. Oh shit. I was coming right at your ass. Sideways. Ha 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 ha.